I'm about to say something that's gonna make every financial advisor lose their mind. If you're in your 20s and you want to get rich, do not start investing. Don't put your money in the stock market. Don't buy real estate. Don't invest in bonds. Now I know that goes against everything you've ever been told. I know your parents are gonna freak out. I know every personal finance guru on YouTube is gonna say I'm crazy. But I don't care, because I'm about to give you the truth that nobody else has the balls to tell you. If you're in your 20s and you're trying to get wealthy by investing in traditional assets, you're wasting the most valuable years of your life. You're playing it safe when you should be going all in. You're following advice that was designed for people in their 40s and 50s, but not for somebody who's young, hungry, and has nothing to lose. So if you're ready to hear a different perspective, one that can actually make you rich if you understand it, and in your 20s, instead of just comfortable in your 60s, then keep watching, because what I'm about to share with you changed my entire life. Now let me give you some context so you know I'm not just talking theory. I'm in my early 20s right now, and I've built an online business that's generated thousands of dollars a day in profit. So that's money that actually goes in my bank account. I went from literally $0, completely broke, to making up to $3,000 per day with my business. And most of it is profit. And I didn't do it by investing in index funds. I didn't do it by buying rental properties. With what money? I didn't do it by putting money in my retirement account. I did it by starting a high-ticket consulting and service-based business. And that's exactly what you need to do, instead of wasting your money on traditional investments that are gonna keep you broke for the next 40 years. Here's the thing that nobody tells you about investing in your 20s. It's a trap designed to make you feel responsible and smart while keeping you poor for decades. Let me break down the math for you, because this is where it gets really obvious. Let's say you're 25 years old and you have an extra $1,000. The traditional advice says that you put that in an S&P 500 index fund and let it grow. On average, the stock market returns about 10% per year, which is very decent. So your $1,000 becomes $1,100 after 1 year. You just made $100. Congratulations, you can buy yourself some dinner. Now let's say you were to do this very consistently. Like, let's push it to the max. Say you were to invest $1,000 every single month into the stock market for 10 years, which by the way is very, very unrealistic. By the time you're 35, assuming that same 10% return, you'll have about $200,000. Now that sounds pretty good, right? I mean, remember, first you had to invest $1,000 per month with an initial $1,000 investment. So we have to say it is very, very unrealistic. And here's the thing they don't tell you. Even if you could invest $1,000 a month in the stock market, you just spent 10 years, the most energetic and capable years of your life, to accumulate $200,000, and you're still not rich. You're just slightly less broke than you were before. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, let me show you the other path. Let's say instead of investing that $1,000 a month, you take that money and you invest it in yourself. You invest it in learning how to build an online business. You invest it in courses, in mentors, in ads, in tools, in software, etc. You go all in on building a high-ticket consulting or service-based business. And let's say it takes you 6 months to figure it out. 6 months of trial and error, of failing, of learning, of getting better. After those 6 months, you land your first client at $3,000. And then things typically compound. You land another quickly, and then another one. And within a year, you're making $10,000 a month. Within 2 years, you've scaled that up to $30,000 a month. Within 3 years, you're making $100,000 a month in profit. Do you see the difference? In the same amount of time that traditional investing would have made you $200,000 total, if you could invest $1,000 a month every month without missing a single month. Now you're making that pretty much every 2 months. And that's not even the ceiling, it's only the beginning. So which path sounds better to you? The safe, slow, boring path that might make you comfortable when you're 65? Or the aggressive, fast, exciting path that can make you rich in your 20s. Let me tell you why real estate is also a terrible idea for most people in their 20s. First of all, you need a massive down payment. If you want to buy a rental property, you need at least 20% down plus closing costs. That's probably $30,000 to $50,000 just to get started. And let's say you do scrape together that money. Now you own a property that's gonna cash flow maybe $300 to $500 a month after expenses if you're lucky. So you just locked up $50,000 to make an extra $300 a month. That's a less than 8% return. And on top of that, you now have to deal with tenants, maintenance, property managers, taxes, and all the headaches that comes with real estate. Meanwhile, if you took the same $50,000 and invested it into building and scaling an online business, you could be making that back every single month within a year. Real estate is a great wealth preservation tool for people who already have money. It's not a great wealth creation tool for people in their 20s who are starting from zero. Here's what people don't understand about your 20s. This is your highest leverage decade. This is when you have the most energy. This is also when you have the most time, when you have the least responsibility. You probably don't have kids yet or a family to take care of. You also probably don't have a mortgage yet. A bunch of obligations like that tying you down. So this is the time to take risks, to go all in, to bet on yourself. But what do most people do instead? They choose to play it safe. They get a job that pays them just enough to survive. They put a tiny bit of money into a retirement account. They think they're being smart. They think they're being responsible. And then they wake up at 35 or 40 and realize they're still broke. They're still living paycheck to paycheck. They're still stressed about money. And all that safe investing they did didn't change anything because the amounts were too small to matter. Let me tell you what you should be doing instead. You should be starting a high-ticket information, consulting, or service-based business. This is the fastest path to wealth for someone in their 20s, and it's not even close. Here's why this business model is so powerful. First, you can start with almost no money. You don't need inventory. You don't need an office. You don't need any employees. You just need a laptop, an internet connection, and the willingness to learn. Second, the profit margins are insane. When you're selling consulting or services for $3,000 to $10,000 and your only costs are your time and maybe some software subscriptions, you're keeping most of that money. Third, you can scale fast. Once you figure out how to get clients and deliver results, you can go from $0 to $10,000 a month in 60 to 90 days. You can go from $10,000 to $50,000 a month in the next 6 months. Now try doing that with index funds. Fourth, you're building real skills. You're learning sales, marketing, how to solve problems, how to run an actual business that prints cash every month. These skills are worth more money than any degree or certification. And fifth, you're not capped. There's no limit to how much money you can make in a given month or year. You're not passively waiting for the market to go up. You're not hoping your property appreciates. You are in complete control. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast. Now, I know what you might be thinking, but what about the compound interest? What about starting early? What about time in the market? Now, you're right, starting early with investing does matter, but here's the thing that matters even more. Having a high income to actually invest. Compound interest is awesome when you actually have a lot of money to play with, when you're at least investing $10,000 a month. It's too slow when you're only investing $100 a month. So instead of trying to invest tiny amounts right now, focus all your energy on building a business that generates a massive income. Then once you're making $10,000, $30,000, $50,000, $100,000 a month, invest the excess. That's when traditional investments actually make sense. That's when you can put serious money into real estate, into stocks, into whatever you want. But until you're at that level, every dollar you have should be going back into yourself and your business. Let me give you a real example of how this plays out. I spent the first couple years of my 20s thinking I was being smart by putting a little bit of money into my retirement account. I was so proud of myself. I thought I was ahead of everyone else because I was investing early. And you know what happened? Nothing. Absolutely nothing. I had a few $1,000s sitting in an account that I couldn't touch for 4 years. Meanwhile, I was still broke. I was still stressed about money. I was still living a life I didn't want to live. Then I made a decision that changed everything. I stopped investing. I took every dollar I had and I invested it into learning how to build an online business. I bought courses. I hired mentors. I spent money on ads to get clients. I went all in. I got my first high-paying client and received $1,000. Then I made it again and again. And soon enough, I was making more in a single month than I had in my entire retirement account. That's when I realized the traditional advice is backwards for young people. You don't get rich by playing it safe in your 20s. You get rich by taking calculated risks and betting on yourself. Here's another thing nobody talks about. When you build a business, you're creating an asset. A business that generates $10,000 a month is worth way more than $200,000 sitting in an index fund. A business can be sold, a business can be scaled, a business gives you freedom and options, and most importantly, a business teaches you how to create money out of thin air. Once you learn how to build one successful business, you can build another one and another one. You're not dependent on the market, you're not dependent on the economy. You're dependent on your ability to create value and solve problems. That is real wealth, real security. It's not like some retirement account you can't even touch until you're old. Look, don't get me wrong. I'm by no means saying investing is bad and that you shouldn't do it. I'm saying that if you're in your 20s and you're broke or average, investing should not be your priority, at least not in the traditional sense, like in the stock market. Your priority should be building a high-income skill and starting a business, so investing in yourself. Your priority should be from going to zero or a few $1,000s per month with your job to $10,000 per month with a business as fast as possible. Your priority should be creating cash flow, not trying to build wealth slowly over 40 years. Once you're making serious money, once you're making more than you can spend, then you start investing all the excess. Then you buy real estate, then you put money in the market, but not before, unless you don't mind getting decently wealthy extremely slowly. Because investing in small amounts when you're broke, it's like trying to fill a swimming pool with a teaspoon. It's technically working, yeah, sure, but it's gonna take you forever, so you're gonna waste a lot of your time. The most precious years of your life. Stop listening to traditional financial advice that was designed for people twice your age. Stop putting money into retirement accounts that you can't touch for 40 years. Stop thinking that buying a rental property is gonna make you rich. Instead, take that money and invest it in yourself. Learn a high-income skill. Start a consulting business. Start a service-based business. An online coaching business. Whatever it is, just start it. You go all in on it for the next 1 to 2 years at the bare minimum. Treat your life like it depends on it. Because honestly, the quality of your entire life does depend on the decisions you make in your 20s. You can either play it safe, follow the traditional path, and hope you're comfortable when you're 65, or you can take a risk, bet on yourself, build a real business, and be rich in your 30s. The choice is yours. And if you're sitting there thinking this sounds too risky or too hard, good. That means you're normal. That means you're like everyone else who's gonna stay broke. But on the opposite, if you're sitting there thinking this makes sense and you're ready to go all in, then you're in the right place. Now let's get to work. If you want to discover how I've made thousands of dollars a day online, I've made a free training that will show you everything step by step. The link will be in the description. And for a limited time, you can also apply to book a free call with me or a member of my team. On that call, we'll see what's blocking you from making more money, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step plan so you can start your business today, even with $0 in startup capital, and get your first customers as quickly as possible. The link is in the description, but be quick because we have very limited spots and they fill up fast.